y'all? Welcome to Cooking with Smoove, episode 6. Now this week there's been a lot of debate on Instagram and Twitter on who has the best chicken sandwich. Is it Popeyes? Is it Chick-fil-A? Is it Medea? Is it Sarah? Who has the best blend of seasonings? So everybody's been asking me which one am I going with, Popeyes or Chick-fil-A? I'm actually going with my own chicken sandwich. Smoove got a chicken sandwich. You know, I feel like KFC kind of dropped the baton about 15 years ago. You know, your mom used to bring the bucket home with all the original 11 herbs and spices. Where y'all at, KFC? Don't worry. I got you. I got my own 11 herbs and spices blend, and I'm gonna help y'all out so you can get into this little chicken sandwich race. Now to bring this sandwich to life, there's 3 simple steps. The first is we gotta season and marinate our chicken. Y'all know how we do. Actually marinate the chicken for more than a day. We'll get into that. The second thing is to create our own batter, 11 herbs and spices. I got you. Now the third and final thing we're gonna do is make a sauce. Smoove's barbecue sauce. So let's get into it. So first things first, I got boneless chicken thighs here. It's really important to marinate your meat to make sure that that seasoning and that flavor is deep into your protein. The longer you marinate it, the deeper the flavor. Cannot get an amen. Now for our sandwich, I took the liberty of marinating this chicken with paprika, salt, and pepper. Throw it in the bag, throw it in the fridge, and let it sit in there for 3 to 5 days. Now the second step is building our batter, or what I like to say, a coat of flavor for our chicken. We got our 11 herbs and spices, so we're gonna get into it right now. Don't forget your whisks. So we have here flour, chili powder, paprika, cayenne pepper, salt, pepper, granulated garlic, garlic powder, granulated onion, ground mustard, garlic salt, and lemon pepper. Now that we have created our coat of flavor, we will now bread the chicken and deep fry it. It will be very quick. Follow me. Fire. Hey KFC man, give me a call, man. I'll put my number right here. You can go ahead and just give me a call. Let me know when you're ready, because we got action. So we got our chicken looking golden, crispy, delicious. So the third and final step is Smoove's barbecue sauce. Let's break it down. So for the sauce, we're gonna need a couple things. In this bowl, I have ketchup and hot sauce. Here we have water, red wine vinegar, and a little Worcestershire sauce. Now in this seasoning blend, we have a little bit of oh yes, that's right. We have a little brown sugar, salt, pepper, paprika, ground mustard. So we're gonna combine all these ingredients into our blender and we're good to go. Alright, so now we got our chicken fried, our sauce made, and the sandwich has been assembled. And yes, I made my own bag. Now for the best part, the taste. Well, I'm telling you, this chicken sandwich is fire. Now, you guys may have noticed, I'm sorry, pause that, cut that. Right. Now, as you guys may have noticed, I did things a little bit different on this video. If you want the full recipe, go view it on YouTube. The link will be in my bio. For those just casually watching and just like to see my pretty face, you can catch it here on Instagram TV. Swipe up to view. Also, don't forget to hashtag Cooking with Smoove. Like, share, repost, comment, and let me know what you guys think. And don't forget to tell Popeyes I'm coming for them.